Excellent. What we're going to do now is we're going to fine-tune it. Because we know what our responsibilities are in our workplace. We just have to fine-tune it. Not because our boss wants us to do so, but we have a sense of pride in what we do. Even if we're cleaning the floor, we clean the floor the best we can. So what we're going to do is we're going to fine-tune it. So in any company, you've got Johan, you've got the other managers who are here to help you guys. Is that right? To help you, and you there to help each other. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to do this. We call it the calling. It goes as follows. And when I do, then we start tapping. So we're going to practice it once. You guys know what you need to do, eh? So when I go, and then we start. 1, 2. And then when you hear me go, okay, now this is going to get very interesting because now we are communicating non-verbally. I'm not going to say a word. Now we're just going to be integrating ourselves with the people around us. The other important thing here is listening skills. Isn't that one of the most important parts of being in a customer-driven or a customer service-driven industry? Is listening. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start. Are you ready, guys? And when you start that energy from the beginning with top-notch energy. I want to hear it. Pump it.